Hey guys, welcome to ProBuildz. In this short video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make stores within 60 seconds. The main element of the building takes seconds, literally 20-25 seconds to build the main bits, and then just add like a slider in, for example, to make it look good. So first of all, just remember that there's 3 ways that you can build stores here to profit from. First of all, you can build them and become an agent and actually sell them to the 25 million plus vendors on eBay. Second of all, you can create affiliate sites, and many people make money blogging and stuff, and this is exactly what you can do with this. Third of all, if you have a store yourself, you can save fees and you can also get the affiliate commissions too. So here we go. First of all, we log in. Once logged in, go to manage stores. On the right, go to add store. Then enter the name, like JoeJam1. Choose your template. Enter the seller ID, and that pulls the data from eBay into our stores. Now we've done that, you go to appearance, add a slider. We automatically add them in, but you want to add your own. Title bags, description, best bags of all kinds. Just for an example, go to manage stores, let's view it. And there we go. We have a fully working external eBay store, and that took under 1 minute.